WHP was a little bit ahead of us. That I think he released the song
How You Feel, maybe.
How You Feel before the hip hop fraternity would say this is a hip hop what, you know. So even people that know WHP was kind of like, it's not one of us.
Yeah, no, I know.
You know,
used to hate on the whole.
because we were too hard. Like we wanted that
This guy's quiet though. Like,
like it's too commercial, you know, that kind of thing. So and we had beef quite justifiably so.
in fact, can I give a go before you even finish the thought? There's a line that you say on the formula. I don't like Kwaito.
What about Kwaito?
Yeah, what about Kwaito?
So what happened was, during the Rap Activity times, we used to have record execs because not even Rap Activity, go VOS, Voice of Soweto. There was a dude who used to come because Voice of Soweto was popular. It used to bring your Mdu, Bo Trumpisi, and all those quite big, and they were big at that time. So he's a record exec. He pushes his music through this platform. And he looks at us with what MT said, King Kid, and what Casper is saying about underground rap, or lyrical, biblical, typical. When are you going to make hits? So the mindset was, yeah, you're talking all this ra. I can think it's music, it's too much. People just want to hear 3 lines and all the stuff. So then you will come and do your thing. So what about Ikwaito? That what about was a suggestion. It was not me saying I don't like it. It was what we were told to say. Remember, the first line says, dead end still, stand still. That means dead end street, stand still. My brain fasagir. My plans to be a rap star, a spoiler girl. So that is all negative. That is all pessimistic, you know. My brain is a girl, and to a point where I say my plans to be a rap star, a spoiler girl. No record deal. Zonke zinto zimil. I'm not record deal. Zonke zinto zimil. No inspiration to be writing rhymes. It's a feel. Then someone says,
what about
Ikwaito? My brain stand still, brain fasagil, and I'm like, nah.
I don't like it.
So it wasn't a thing of we don't like it. It was a thing that don't come with that narrative, Yoguti, just because I'm giving you 1,000 lines and they are not having a market yet. That we can't open a market. We will open a market. You understand? So, what about Ikwaito? Nah, I don't like it that much. I will stop this. No me hip hop in my flop.
I'll stick to it.
I'll stick to it because you are suggesting something. Then I'm saying, Guti, even when you suggest this platform, I still believe in myself enough that I'll be like a drop of water on a rock. Eventually, I will penetrate a hole. And he did that. That's what that line was.